Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Netgear Wi-Fi extender not working. First method is to restart both devices. Unplug the router and extender from the power source, wait at least 1 minute before plugging it back in, and once powered on, try connecting to the extender to the router. Second method is to reduce obstructions. Ensure the extender and router are placed closer to each other. Minimize physical barriers such as walls, large furniture between the devices. For a stronger connection, use an Ethernet cable to link the extender and router directly. The third fix is to move electronic devices away. Remove or turn off any nearby devices that might interfere with the signal. And finally, if the setup with WPS didn't work, try to set up the Netgear extender without the WPS, and here's how. Make sure your extender is powered and displays a green status LED. On your device, which is PC, Mac, iOS, Android, or etc., open the Wireless Network Manager. Select Netgear AXT from the available networks and connect to it. Once connected, open any browser. If redirected automatically, follow the setup guide. If not, type www.mywifi.ext.net into the browser and press enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password, then choose a name for the extender network. To make changes later, visit mywifi.ext.net and log in with your username and password. Now you can enjoy your extended Wi-Fi coverage. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.